Hello guys, welcome to my channel Om Shanti Study. Now we are going to learn about class UKG chapter 2nd sound of vowel E. Let's revise vowel. Now E sound word. Read aloud. Nest, best, jeep, hill, dead, beat, neat, seat, fear, beer, deer, feed, mill, reel, well, eat, meat, ear, near, seed, tree, free, pill, sing aloud. बीच में कोई sing aloud. Ina mina mo, catch the wet boy by his toe. If he's cray, if his craze, let him go. Ina mina mo. Now match the column. Match the word that rhymes alike. Pen, tell, bee, heat, jeep, jet, near. Now column second. Well, seat, keep, get, ten, fear, free. Now match the column. Sound of E. Right answer is, look at here. Pen, ten. Tell, well. Be, free. Heat, seat. Jeep, keep. Jet, get. Near, fear. तो यहीं पे वीडियो को समाप्त करते हैं. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन. थैंक यू.